Hello, I OP Srivastava. In continuation of my previous video regarding matrices, I am making this new video, second video better you say, in which I am going to discuss the algebra of the matrix. In my previous video, I have already discussed types of matrices. What are the matrices? How many types are there? What are the basic characteristics of the matrices? All these things I have already discussed. Now in this video I am going to discuss the algebra of the matrix. Okay, so first algebra means addition, subtraction, like that, which we generally use in arithmetics or mathematics, so called. So addition of matrices, as you know very well, in addition we are very much habitual of having number system, adding number system. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, like that. But how it works in case of matrices, that I am going to explain. जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं कि नंबर सिस्टम में 2 प्लस 3 जोड़ दिया तो 5 आ गया, 5 में 1 जोड़ दिया 6 आ गया। ये सारी चीजें हम लोग पहले कर चुके हैं। लेकिन मैट्रिक्स के केस में कैसे जोड़ा जाता है, कैसे अलजेब्रा काम करता है, उसको हम डिस्कस करेंगे। दिस इज व्हाई आई एम कॉलिंग इट अलजेब्रा ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स एडिशन फर्स्ट। Let us discuss addition of the matrix. Suppose there are two matrices A and B. Make it very clear. Addition or subtraction of A and B is possible only when they must have the same order. When say same row, same column must be there, only then addition is possible. And I have explained it here. If A and B are two matrices, each of order m into n, मतलब दोनों का ऑर्डर सेम होना चाहिए, only then addition and subtraction is possible. I'm not talking about multiplication. So A and B are two matrices of order m into n. Then sum of A plus B is defined only if the matrix A and B have the same order. If A is equal to Aij element, B has Bij element, like that. So here it is, instead of writing small letters, small letter. ठीक है? Bij, तो A plus Ij is equal to what I should write. In fact, I should write it as it is Aij, and it is Aij, it is A plus B is equal to plus Bij. It should take it as Bij, this much. Bij. Here it is Bij, like that. So Aij is equal to Aij plus Bi. Corresponding elements are added, as you see it here. Now, for example, I have taken two matrices, as you see in the example here of A matrix of order 3 into 4, B is also of 3 into 4, means 3 rows and 4 columns. The new matrix A plus B will be also of the same order. I am in this mistake in it here. Let us add one thing here. One thing here, it should be in fact this should be in fact. So AB plus Aij plus Bij. So it is 2 here and 0 is 2 plus 0, 3 plus 3, 4 plus 4 plus 0, 5 plus 5. Now 3 minus 3 plus minus 3, 5 plus minus 2, minus 6 plus 2, 4 plus 0. 2 plus 1, minus 6 plus 0, 7 plus 7, and 8 plus 8. Means very clear कि corresponding elements are added and kept at the corresponding space also. So this new matrix will be called addition of the two matrices A and B here. So this new result a, now a minus b is what? Similar way. In fact, here corresponding elements are subtracted. Aij minus bij gives you a minus b, this new matrix. So it is 2 here, 0 here. So a minus will have 2 minus 0, 3 minus 3, 4 minus 0, 5 minus 5, like that. Minus 3 minus 3, 5 minus 2, like that. And this new matrix will give you a minus b. Okay. Alright. So addition and subtraction is very simple. For practice, I have given a problem here. Say, suppose 2a minus 3b is have to be obtained. So multiply element of matrix A by 2 and element of matrix B by 3 and then operate as given the operation. So corresponding value is already shown here. It is 2a minus 3b, 2a minus 3 corresponding, and you got this result. So it is very simple thing. Everybody can do it. Nothing very special. But multiplication has a very special attention required. मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसे होगा, इसमें खास ध्यान आपको देना होगा. हर ए और बी मैट्रिक्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन पॉसिबल नहीं है, लेकिन उसके जानने से पहले एडिशन ऑपरेशन पर क्या क्या अलजेब्रा की प्रॉपर्टी लागू होते हैं वो भी देख लिया जाए. इफ ए एंड बी सी आर थ्री मैट्रिसेस ऑफ सेम ऑर्डर m into n, then a plus b is equal to b plus a, means commutative law holds good. A is here, b is here, I got a plus b. All right. And a plus b, oh sorry, instead of writing here I should not write it here. ये मुझे नहीं लिखना चाहिए था. चलिए बहुत से करेक्शन करने ही पड़ेंगे. तो a plus b is give you this matrix. Similarly b plus a you do, you will get the same way. eh? Both are equal, so a plus b is equal to b plus a, means for matrix commutative law holds good. Okay. Now associative law, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. This is known as associative law. You take three matrix a b c and operate like that. So first you get a plus b. a plus b हमने पहले निकाल लिया और उसके साथ फिर c को ऐड करना है. तो a प्लस बी निकाल लिया हमने यहाँ पर और a प्लस बी प्लस सी हमने यहाँ निकाला. a प्लस बी के साथ c जोड़ दिया और हमें ये मैट्रिक्स मिल गया. तो a प्लस बी प्लस सी हमने निकाल लिया और उसी तरह से पहले b प्लस सी निकाला फिर उसमें a जोड़ दिया and both we got the same result. So I can say that for matrices plus operation is associative. Okay. Now existence of additive identity, just as in number system, additive identity is 0. 1 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 0 is 2, 3 plus 0 is 3, and that way you can say 0 is the additive identity element for the plus operation in number system. In similar fashion, what is the additive identity? This additive identity in the case of matrix operation. Matrix. Okay. So उसको हम पहले डिस्कस करते हैं एग्जिस्टेंस. तो व्हाट आई से कि if a plus 0 is equal to a is equal to 0 plus a, then we say that additive identity matrix exists and that is a zero matrix or null matrix. In case of matrix, additive identity of a given matrix is a null matrix of the same order. Okay. Existence of additive inverse. If matrix A is a square matrix, minus A is called additive inverse of it. Means take the minus of the each element, the new matrix formed is known as minus A. Similarly, A plus B if is equal to A plus C, then B is equal to C is a cancellation. Now this holds good. You can try it. by taking some example. So addition, subtraction, it is as we are very clear. So first multiplication. तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन है सम बेसिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कुछ खास बातें समझ लिए. अगर ए और बी दो मैट्रिक्स हैं जिनका ऑर्डर एग्जैक्टली सेम है, इन दैट केस k टाइम्स a plus k times b will be equal to k times a plus b. K is any number. Similarly, k1 plus k2 is of matrix A is equal to k1 times of matrix A, k1 times of matrix A. You can test it by taking certain example. It's very clear. ये बहुत छोटी छोटी बातें हैं, इसमें हम ज़्यादा वक्त बर्बाद नहीं करेंगे. हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. हमने क्या किया है, ए बी मैट्रिक्स निकाला, ए प्लस बी निकाला, ए माइनस बी निकाला. ये सब समझाने के लिए 2a निकाला हमने. ये 2a मैट्रिक्स निकल गया और k टाइम्स a प्लस बी इक्वल टू k टाइम्स a इंटू k टाइम्स b. लेट k इज इक्वल टू 3 मान लीजिए आप. तो आप पाएंगे कि 3 टाइम्स a प्लस b is equal to 3a plus 3b. So this way you can understand addition. Important thing is what? Important thing is the multiplication of matrix. If A and B are two matrices, mind it, multiplication of A and B is always possible. It is not like that. Multiplication of A and B is possible only when number of column of matrix A is equal to number of row of matrix B as shown it here. A और B का मल्टीप्लिकेशन तभी संभव है, तभी पॉसिबल है जब A का नंबर ऑफ कॉलम जैसे n है यहाँ पर, B के नंबर ऑफ रो या जो कि नन दोनों के बराबर हो, तभी हो सकता है. अब इसका नंबर ऑफ रो, इस नंबर ऑफ कॉलम इसके नंबर ऑफ रो के बराबर होगा, तभी A और B का मल्टीप्लिकेशन पॉसिबल है, अदरवाइज इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. ओके, ये अलग की बात है. ए और बी दोनों स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स है तो ए बी भी पॉसिबल होगा, बी और ए पॉसिबल होगा. ये दोनों ही केस में रिक्वायर्ड कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो जाता है. ऑलराइट, फॉर एग्जांपल लेट अस टेक A and B are two matrices are here. A is a matrix 3 into 2 and B is a matrix of 2 into 4. So let us find out A into B. How A and B into B is found? So to multiply A and B, what we do? Take the first row like this and first column of B and multiply the elements like this is multiplied to this and this is multiplied to this, and it gives the first element of the new matrix A into B. Similar fashion, go on doing like that. I mean, this is the row, first column, then second column, then third column, then fourth column. And you add this, you will first element, second element, third element, and fourth element, you will get it. Or next time again, what you do? You take the second row, then the same way, first column, second column, third column, and this will give the first element, second element, third element, and fourth element. Go on doing that way, you will get A and 2B. That is the way. Means पहले का रो एलिमेंट लिया है, दूसरे का कॉलम एलिमेंट, और पहले रो को पहले कॉलम से दूसरे रो के दूसरे कॉलम से गुणा करके पहले एलिमेंट मल्टीप्लिकेटिव एलिमेंट का मैट्रिक्स का पहला एलिमेंट बनेगा. इस तरह से करते चले जाए, यू विल गेट द रिजल्ट. दैट इज द वे ऑफ गेटिंग ए इनटू बी. नाउ सपोज यू वांट टू टेस्ट ए इनटू बी, तो हो गया बी इनटू ए इज पॉसिबल और नॉट. तो हियर b into a is not possible. I have mentioned it. B into a is not possible because number of column of b is not equal to number of row of a. So a into b possible. Essentially, b into a will be possible or not, we cannot say. ये डिपेंड करता है कि उनके रो कॉलम की पोजीशन क्या है. ओके ओके, थैंक यू. आई विल कंटिन्यू नेक्स्ट इंफॉर्मेशन इन विच आई विल find out inverse of the matrix, cofactor of the matrix, everything I will discuss in the third video, because otherwise video will be very long. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Okay.